Hello and welcome to this little Java programming tutorial series in which I'm going to show you how to make Excel documents using the programming language Java. Before I start off, I just have to apologize for my little accent. It's just that my native language is German. So, uh, without any further ado, let's just get started. For Excel documents, we're going to need a little library that's called the Apache POI. So if we just go ahead and type that into Google, um, it's the first link. So once we're in there, click the downloads button and go ahead take the latest stable release, which is right now 3.8. If there's a newer version, just go ahead and take that one. The basics shouldn't change. So because I have a Mac, I'm just going to use the zip file. Um, do whatever you prefer. If you like the GZ file more, but so and once that page is loaded, just go ahead and take the first link, which is going to download the requested zip file. Just click on OK, and so now we're just going to wait until the download is done. Alright, so once that is done, let's just open my downloads folder, unzip it, and wait a little more. Come on, come on. Yes, alright, so okay, I have a lot of files in my downloads folder, so I'm just going to drag it onto my desktop, the POI folder, because otherwise it's going to be pretty full and I'm not going to be able to find that file again. So in that folder we're going to see there is the docs folder with some documentations about changes and stuff like that, some libraries and a OOXML library, which I don't exactly know what it is, but for the Excel documents, we're just going to need the POI, you call it line, I'll just call it line 3.8, line 2012-03-26.jar file. So the next thing we need to do is we have to implement it into Excel, into our Java project. So I'll just open up Eclipse and create a new Java project. Don't mind those other working sets, they're just for me to keep myself sorted. So I'm going to name my project Excel, and in there I'm going to create a new class in the source folder and call it as well. Wait, what did I want to call it again? Excel. Oh god, no. Okay, I'm going to call it Excel as well. So you can create some packages if you want to, but right now it's not necessary because we're not going to write a big program or something like that. So I'm just going to go with the default package. So next up, we need to import those libraries we just downloaded. For that, we right-click on our project, go to Build Path, and click on Add External Archives. So from there we can go to our POI 3.8 folder that I put on my desktop, and there you're going to choose the file I just showed you, the POI line 3.8 line 2012 0326.jar file. If there's a new version, of course, it's going to be renamed a little bit, but so okay, let's just open that up, and once we have that in there, we can see there's a reference libraries folder, and in there we have all the classes and interfaces and stuff like that. The other people did already for us, so we don't have as much work as they had. So if we, for example, look at a class they made for us, which is in the user model, SS user model, and then workbook, which is the first class we're going to use for our project. You're going to see there a lot of functions, and so in order to keep ourselves from make so much work, if you know what I mean. Yeah, you know what I mean. We're just going to use this library they made for us. So it's an advantage for us, and so we're going to do this in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.